And the third challenge which is faced by the political problem is the role of money and okay, money and muscle power. Role of money and muscle power, especially at the time of elections. Okay, means here what is that means the party which is having the muscle power and the party which is having the money means financially fit. Okay, that type of party only they can have the chance to win the elections in the present condition. Means it is also a drawback for the democracy. Actual democracy means all the party those who are there in the power, they should be elected by the people. Okay, by seeing their working conditions, either they will do good or not. Okay, right? But here the person who is having the money and the person who is having the muscle power, they only will have the chance to win the election. This type of process going on presently in our country. Okay, not only in our country, in all the countries. Okay, right? Actually the parties always they will focus on elections. Means always every party they will focus on winning elections. Okay, means either they want to win in a shortcut methods also. Means by using the shortcut methods. They want to win the elections by using the shortcut methods. What is the shortcut methods? By distributing the money. Okay, means by keeping a lot of expenses on elections. Okay, in the elections they want to win. Means they will focus on winning the elections, mostly in which method? By using the shortcut methods. Okay, means here the people also will not select by the quality of the leaders. Okay, the person who will give more amount of money to them, they will select them as a, means in this process they are going to get into the power. Okay, right? And moreover, in the parties, the rich people okay, and companies and some of the MNCs, rich people and some of the companies, they are giving the party fund. They are giving the party fund to the party. Means whenever the party is going to get from the, okay, either the rich people or a company, definitely whenever this party will get into the power, definitely that party should work for the people, for the rich people and companies rather than the poor people. Means why? Because definitely they will force them to work in the favor of the rich people and the companies. Means MNCs, multinational companies. Nowadays most of the political leaders and political parties, they are in the hands of the MNCs. Means those are the rich fellows, in the hands of them only these are working. Why? Because they will provide the fund to the party. Because of that reason, whatever the decision it will be taken by the parties, it will be in the favorable of companies and the rich people. Okay, right? Means they won't so what is that, they won't work or they won't see the favorable conditions of the poor people. Okay, and in the same parties, okay, in the same parties, these parties will support to criminals. Okay, these parties will support to criminals to win the elections. Okay, these parties will always means few parties they will support to the criminals to win the election. Means they will take the support of criminals, otherwise they will choose them as a candidates and they will keep them in the elections. Okay, like that also they will try for the winning of elections. Okay, it means here whenever this type of conditions, means whenever the money and muscle, here already I discussed that money and muscle. Money and muscle means mostly the parties will try to win the elections, okay, by using the shortcut methods. What is the shortcut methods? By giving the money to the public, are people, okay, they will try to get the votes, and mostly the political parties are getting the funds from the rich companies like the MNCs, okay, and the rich people. So whenever they will get the fund, definitely they will be like a puppets in the hands of rich people in the companies, and mostly the party needs the criminals. They will take the criminal supports also to win the elections. Whenever this type of situations are there in a political parties, then who will face the problems really means the Democrats. The Democrats means the really who is working hard for the public, the person who is really working hard for the party, they will face a problem, okay, right? Why? Because most of the role it is means in the party whose role is going to be increase more the rich people and the MNCs, their role only becoming means their role is increasing in the party, okay, means even though the Democrats, those who are working for the party, they won't have any value. Who will have the value? For the rich people and the companies, okay. This is also one type of problem which is faced by the political parties nowadays, okay. And the fourth challenge which is faced by the political parties is that these political parties will not give any meaningful choice to the public. Then what is meant by this meaningful choice? You may ask that what is meant by meaningful choice, okay, right? And here means if the parties are there, every country will have the different parties. In between these parties, they won't have much more difference in their ideology. They won't have much more difference. Very few differences will be there in their ideology. In what they will have the differences means in the implement of this ideology, they will have the differences, okay. So whenever this type of conditions are there, if we take the United Kingdom, UK, here there are two parties which was there. One is the Labour Party, Conservative Party, Labour Party and the Conservative Party, okay. Everyone they will have the different policies, okay, of their party, but whenever they will come regarding to the economical issues, definitely all will have the same views, okay. Whenever the economic policies are there of the regarding to that country, definitely everyone will have the same views. And what is that means? Mostly what is the meaningful choice means? Here whenever the people are choosing one party, when they regret means whenever they will reject to that party, if they want to select to the other party, there is no chance to the party, there is no chance to the public. Why? Because whenever they will select one party, all later whenever they will reject that party, if they want to select the other party members, there is no chance to the people. Why? Because these party members are exchanging to that party, means the people means the leaders, those who are there in the political parties, they won't be means what is that, they won't stay in single political party. Always they will jump from one party to another party, means because of that leaders only the people rejected the political party. That same leaders are jumping, means they are going into the other party, means the same problem is also faced by another political party. Means here the people are not having the correct choice to choose the correct leader. Why? Because whenever the political party leaders are jumping from, means whenever they are coming out and into the political parties, definitely that leaders only will have in the power. Definitely no other persons will get into the power, so people will not have any choice. Means if these political party persons will stay here only itself, means they will have the chance to select this party. But whenever these party loses the power, they will try. For example, if you see our TDP and YSRCP, otherwise if you see in the Congress and the BJP, which was there at the center, okay, whenever one particular party they will lose the power, that leaders always they try to jump, means they will try to enter into the other political parties. Means the people who selected in the previous election, that same persons only will be there in the other parties also. Then the people will not have the correct choice to choose the person, those who are going to do the favor for the poor people. Okay, this is the fourth challenges which is faced by the political parties. What does that means? Meaningful choice. Okay.